Hey everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with blending. We're going to blend our onset and then our rhyme. So we know our onset is our initial consonant sounds. This week we'll be working on blends. So our consonant blends and then the rhyme part of the word, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. Pl, an, plan, fl, ip, flip, bl, ack, black, sl, ed, sled, cl, am, clam, fl, ag, flag, bl, s, bless, gl, add, glad, pl, ot, plot. Good job. All right. We're going to punch out some final sounds. Here we go. The word is then. Then. The word is roof. Roof. The word is log. Log. The word is sail. Sail. That one's tricky. Make sure you practice that one. The word is bird. Bird. The word is block. Block. The word is slope. Slope. The word is flag. Flag. The word is plus. Plus. All right, for our next exercise, we are going to segment onset and rhyme. So I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to chop onset and rhyme. The word is blast. Asked. Clock. Clock. Flat. At. Gloss. Gloss. Plug. Plug. Slam. Am. Cliff. If. Flop. Flop. Good job. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. So this week we're substituting, when we substitute our beginning sound, we're going to substitute it with a blend. The word is say. Change s to pl. Play. The word is cue. Change k to bl. Blue. The word is no. Change n to gl. Glow. The word is deep. Change d to sl. Sleep. The word is rake. Change r to fl. Flake. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme, and we'll add the beginning consonant blend as the onset. Put it together to make a word. The word is air. Add gl to the beginning. Glare. The word is ear. Add cl to the beginning. Clear. The word is own. Add bl to the beginning. Blown. The word is ease. Add pl to the beginning. Please. The word is ite. Add sl to the beginning. Slight. Good. Last exercise, we're deleting phonemes, so we're going to delete that beginning consonant blend sound. The word is cloak. Without cl, the word is oak. The word is flex. Without fl, the word is x. The word is gloom. Without gl, the word is The word is sleeve. Without sl, the word is eve. The word is blank. Without bl, the word is ank. Good job today.